What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on ATER ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you why we have this massive movement to the upside for more than 55% during just 2 sessions. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this very point, and I've told you that we hit only 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and I marked these levels by pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, as you can see right here. And I also told you, let me show you more thoroughly, I also told you that we might land even lower at the price points of roughly $3.27 and roughly $3. And these ranges might be your accumulation points if you wanted to enter the position with this asset to catch the next movement to the upside. And from this range we went higher, and we had about 33% to its highest point, and for now we have about almost 36% of potential profits to the current price point. Congratulations to all of you who took my call and who entered the position right here. And in several minutes I will show you what should we expect next, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news and let me show you why we have this movement to the upside. First of all, on April the 6th, on their official press release section, we have this new press release that is titled Aterian named 166th fastest growing company in Americas by Financial Times. And let me show you this news in details. Aterian announced that it has been recognized in the 3rd annual Financial Times ranking of the America's fastest growing companies. The rankings are based on the compound annual growth rate in revenue between 2017 and 2020 for public and private businesses across North and South America. And here you can see the link on this list. And let me show you the comment of Yannick Sarik, co-founder and chief executive officer of Aterian. We are very excited to have been recognized and honored to be ranked by the Financial Times for a 3rd consecutive year. We are hopeful to remain on this list for many years to come and believe that as supply chain constraints ease in the future, we will be well positioned to purpose our ambitious growth goals. And I have to say that from the fundamental standpoint, it is minor news because we don't have any major announcements of potential partnerships or their achievements. It is just an inclusion in the list of some kind of top 500 companies, and definitely fundamentally it is not the best catalyst. But we have this news as a spark that ignited the movement to the upside, and the real reason why we have this movement to the upside is right here. As you can see, Aterian is on the 1st place, and it is the short squeeze screener and leaderboard according to fintel.io, and it has a 99.29 score, short squeeze score, and definitely it is a huge score, and that is why the real catalyst for this asset is just a short squeeze. And right here on appwisdom.io we have Aterian on the 2nd place as most mentioned stock on Wall Street Bets community, and on stocktweets.com website on watcher section we also have Aterian on the 1st place. On most active section we have Aterian on the 5th place. And we don't have this ticker symbol on the trending section. This means the real catalyst for this movement to the upside is the short squeeze and the retail community. And that is why we have to be very cautious with the next potential movement, because from the technical standpoint I have a lot of doubts of the next leg. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we have several waves to the upside, and in my opinion we might have this movement, the breakdown according to Elliott wave theory like this. This might be the first wave, this is the second, and it is the double bottom pattern to the tick. As you can see, the lowest point under the letter L, you can see that the lowest point was $2.3 and $2.3 right here. Let me show you more thoroughly. Right here also was the price point of $2.3. But still, we didn't break this previous bottom, and technically we might consider it as 1 and 2 waves of initial movement. Then we have, this is our third wave, this is our fourth wave, and this is our fifth wave. And on a slightly bigger scale, we have something like this. This movement might be our first wave, this is our second, this entire wave is the third one, fourth, and fifth. And I have to say that this retracement is very technical. It has a shape of simple zigzag, no doubts about it. And for now, on the latest movement to the upside, we have 3 out of 5 waves. Let me mark it for you. This might be our first wave, second, third, fourth, and we don't have the last leg to the upside that will finish the entire wave, and that will finish the wave on a bigger scale. And that is why we have to wait until we'll hit this highest target. But I have a lot of bearish signs for now. And let me show you the indicators. Right here we have a lower high on RSI with a higher high on the price action. On top of that, we have a lower high on the MACD indicator. This means this asset is losing its momentum, and this bearish divergence gives more chances to hit lower price action from the current price. And we have the same pattern on the 2-hour time frame. Higher highs on the price action, lower highs on RSI and on the MACD. On top of that, 3 and 4 hours time frame also have the same pattern, and that is why I have a lot of doubts of next leg to the upside. And for those of you who caught this movement to the upside and who have about 35% of potential profits, I highly recommend you to put your stop loss at the green territory, and this will give you an opportunity to stay in profits no matter what. But if we will have next leg to the upside, definitely you will be able to catch it. And I have to say that we still have a possibility of short squeeze this stock, because it doesn't have any shares available for shorting, and the short borrow fee rate is quite high. It is a 61.51, and definitely the total short interest of 31.86%, and the off exchange short volume ratio of 56.63% definitely shows the possibility of short squeeze, of further short squeeze. But you have to be cautious, and in my opinion, if you missed this movement to the upside, for now it is very risky to enter your long position, because we might easily go lower from these ranges. And let me clean the chart a little bit, and let me show you the daily time frame. As you can see right here, we have very choppy movements, and it's almost impossible to make any Elliott wave breakdown. And these huge gaps in between these candles imply the artificial origin of this movement, and that is why it is very, very risky. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. Congratulations to all of you who took my call and who made about 35% of profits so far. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag.